People,
what is this happening?
Who espouse the cause, people who espouse the cause of free speech and attack this government, who say that we are anti-minority, anti-Dalit, anti-tribal, and time and again they have been requested, don't make this an us against them. I am not certifying your patriotism, but do not demean mine. I am not certifying your idea of India, but do not demean mine. And to them I say, this, Madam Speaker, is the permission slip from JNU, which clearly says that Umar Khalid, one student, wanted to book the venue from 5 o'clock to 7:30 for the 9th. The form asks, what is the purpose of booking the venue? He says, poetry reading. The form asks whether any special arrangements are required. He says, electricity for mic. And very well, the university gives him the permission. What transpires later is something many people have question marked. अरे ये झूठा है, वो झूठा है. तारिक अनवर साहब थे, उन्होंने कहा पहले यूनिवर्सिटी को तो अपनी तहकीकात करने दो, फिर पुलिस को आने दो. यूनिवर्सिटी के सुरक्षा विभाग का ये ब्यौरा है मैडम स्पीकर, 11/2/2016 का, जिसमें 35 सुरक्षाकर्मी, 3 महिला गार्ड सिग्नेचर्स के साथ अपना बयान देते हैं. कहते हैं कि 16:45 सुरक्षा टीम मौका वारदात पर पहुंची. 35 और 3, 38 people. They have given a written response. They are a part of the security of the university, not the police. And they say, भीड़ बढ़ने लगी, छात्र उमर अनिरबान वहीं खड़े रहे, अफजल गुरु मकबूल भट्ट जिंदाबाद, कश्मीर की आजादी तक जंग रहेगी, जंग रहेगी, भारत की बर्बादी तक जंग रहेगी. जिस बंदूक से लेंगे आजादी, गो इंडिया गो बैक, इंडियन आर्मी मुर्दाबाद. 2-3 और लोग थे, मुंह पर कपड़ा लगाए. ये कोई वीडियो नहीं है, ये कोई पुलिस नहीं है, ये कोई अर्नब गोस्वामी नहीं है, ये सुरक्षा विभाग का, जो सरकार से कोई सरोकार नहीं रखती, उनका ये ब्यौरा है. ऑफिस ऑर्डर निकलता है मैडम, जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी, जिसमें मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, एक सेकंड बैठ जाइए, पढ़ रही हूँ भाई साहब, पढ़ रही हूँ, जयप्रकाश जी पढ़ रही हूँ. ऑफिस ऑर्डर है. इस ऑफिस ऑर्डर में चीफ प्रोक्टर है, डीन्स ऑफ ऑल स्कूल्स, डीन्स ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, चेयरपर्सन्स ऑफ सेंटर्स, ऑल प्रोवोस्ट, ऑल सीनियर वार्डन्स, कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशंस, लाइब्रेरियन, सीएमओ, डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर स्पोर्ट, इन सब के लिए ये पत्र है. और इस कमेटी ने, जिसका सरकार से कोई सरोकार नहीं, यहां पर तो कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के एक महाशय ने कहा कि स्मृति ईरानी ने बड़ी कोशिश की, अपना वीसी लगाए, लेकिन किसी और को लगाया गया. जिसके लिए कोशिश की थी वो भी पद्मा विनर थे, जिसको कांग्रेस ने पद्मा उससे सजाया था, हमने नहीं. लेकिन राष्ट्रपति जी का अधिकार है, उन्होंने एक वीसी को नियुक्त किया. वीसी वहां के जो टीचर्स हैं, जिनको हमने नहीं अपॉइंट किया, उन्होंने ये फरमान दिया, misrepresentation of proposed event as cultural evening, although the objective was to hold a political meeting.
What happened?
Forcefully holding the event when the permission to hold was withdrawn, creating a law and order situation on campus. And the prima facie inquiry committee finds the following individual to be involved. The individuals who are named by the faculty of JNU: Syed Umar Khalid, Anirban Bhattacharya, Ashutosh Kumar, Rama Naga, Anant Prakash Narayan, Kanhaiya Kumar, Aishwarya Adhikari, Shweta Raj. Considering the seriousness of the offence, and in order to enable a fair inquiry into the incident, the inquiry committee has recommended that the above-mentioned students may be academically suspended from JNU with immediate effect during the pendency of the inquiry. However, they will be allowed to stay in their respective hostels as guests during the period of inquiry. ये गृह मंत्रालय का फरमान नहीं है। यूनिवर्सिटी की फैकल्टी ने सभी तथ्यों को देखकर अपना निर्णय दिया है। कुछ लोगों ने और ये आरोप लगाया है, आरोप लगाना एक सफल लोकतंत्र की निशानी मानी जाती है, इसलिए उनके आरोपों के सामने प्रमाण प्रस्तुत करती हूं वो जो यूनिवर्सिटी के रजिस्ट्रार द्वारा अटेस्टेड हैं, वो रजिस्ट्रार जिसको हमने नौकरी पर नहीं रखा, इनको नौकरी दी पिछली सरकार ने। ये 22 फरवरी 2013 का पैम्फलेट है। आज मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी बड़े पैशनेटली बोल रहे थे, हैंग एवरीबॉडी इंक्लूडिंग प्रोफेसर्स, हैंग देम इफ दे स्पीक अगेंस्ट द नेशन। आज अगर होते तो उनको ये दिखाते। 2 प्रोफेसर हैं, कैंपस में कश्मीर सॉलिडारिटी रैली निकाली जब उनकी सरकार थी, टू शो सॉलिडारिटी विद द स्ट्रगल फॉर फ्रीडम इन कश्मीर, and refused to be a part of the collective conscience of this country. एक और प्रमाण जो यूनिवर्सिटी से प्राप्त हुआ है, abolish death penalty, burn effigy of home ministry, not minister, speak up against the judicial murder and hanging of Yaqub Menon. कौन था मुंबई में? 12 मार्च मेरी मां का जन्मदिन है, इसलिए आज भी मुझे वो दिन याद है। धमाके हुए, हिंदुस्तानी मरे, आतंकवादी ने मारने से पहले उस हिंदुस्तानी का ना धर्म पूछा ना जाति पूछी। इस पोस्टर में क्या लिखा है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज, Hindu fascist state of India. The state was scared of Yaqub Menon. Our media is a communal corporate media. We are a murderous republic. And our cannibal collective conscience was satiated by hanging Yaqub Menon. We must rise against this judicial murder, a call to rise against a Supreme Court which you approach for bail now. That is the strength of my democracy. A call to rise against the President of India, to whom you go and implore and say, न्याय कीजिए। उनको जल्लाद कहने वाले उनके दस्तक घर पे जाकर दस्तक देते हैं, वो दरवाजा खोलकर उनका स्वागत करते हैं। ये मेरे लोकतंत्र की ताकत है। एक यहां पर सज्जन आज नहीं है, उन्होंने कहा कि आई एम फ्रॉम द कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी, कन्हैया इज माई मेंबर। ब्रदर, I agree. Madam, this is a poster which has the name of, unfortunately, and I look at this child as a child who has been mobilized as a weapon against the state. This is a child who must not have had an idea that India is not one, but who must have been infested with this thought by those who want to bear arms to overthrow this state. It bears the name of Kanhaiya Kumar, Shehla Rashid, Rama Naga. They're all members of the student union. And apart from saying, condemning the hanging of Afzal Guru, they claim it as a nervous attempt by the Congress government. And this, Madam Speaker, is a notice given on the 10th of February 2016. On the 9th night, this transpires on the campus. On the 10th, this is a pamphlet which is stuck all across with these signatures. And it says that the public meeting was also disrupted for Mahishasur Martyrdom Day. What is Mahishasur Martyrdom Day, Madam Speaker? Our government has been accused, and I miss today Saugata Roy and Saugata Bose in this house, champions of free speech, because I want to know whether they will discuss this particular topic which I am about to enunciate in this house on the streets of Kolkata. I dare them this. Posted on the 4th of October 2014. A statement by the SC, ST, OBC and minority students of JNU. And what do they condemn? An attempt, like I said, Madam Speaker, this very pamphlet on the 10th of February highlights what the communist leaders call Mahishasur Martyrdom Day. And may my God forgive me for reading this. Durga Puja is the most controversial racial festival, where a fair-skinned, beautiful goddess Durga is depicted brutally killing a dark-skinned native called Mahishasur. Mahishasur, a brave, self-respecting leader, tricked into marriage by Aryans. They hired a sex worker called Durga, who enticed Mahishasur into marriage and killed him after 9 nights of honeymooning during sleep. Freedom of speech, ladies and gentlemen. Who wants to have this discussion on the streets of Kolkata? I want to know. Whether Rahul Gandhi will stand for this freedom, I want to know. For these are the students. No, they are students. What is this depraved mentality? I have no answers for it. I have no answers for it. But then I thought, is it only because many leaders say कि हाँ बच्चे हैं बोल रहे हैं माफ करो, हो सकता है. But how does this depravity get seeded into the minds of our children? Unfortunately, the rows of the Congress party are empty today, Madam Speaker. I have said time and again, शिक्षा को रणभूमि मत बनाओ. मैंने बार बार इस सदन में और दूसरे में निवेदन किया हाथ जोड़कर, मेरी किसी ने नहीं सुनी. Today I am compelled to say this, Madam Speaker. Are these just slogans? I seek to quote a European philosopher, Roman at that, who said, "A nation can survive its fools and even the ambitious, but it cannot survive treason from within. An enemy at the gates is less formidable, for he is known and carries his banner openly. But the traitor moves amongst those within the gate freely. His sly whispers rustling through all the alleys, heard in the very halls of government itself. For the traitor appears not a traitor. He speaks in the accents familiar to his victims. He wears their face and their arguments. He appeals to the baseness that lies deep in the hearts of men. He rots the soul of a nation. He works secretly and unknown in the night to undermine the pillars of the city. He infects the body politic so that it can no longer resist. A murderer is less to fear." आज अगर चाणक्य का मैं यहाँ वर्णन करती तो लोग कहते हैं सैफरन है. इसीलिए आज एक रोमन फिलोसोफर को कोट किया.
झी 24 तास रहा एक पाऊल पुढे.